everyone, this is Roianne.Buystedt. I'm here in Junction City at Guaranty RV to show you this 2018 Winnebago Navion 24G. This unit right here is a diesel unit on a Sprinter chassis. It has two slides, one that goes directly out the back in the bedroom and a side slide. Come on in and I'll show you what it looks like. This has the standard over the cab bed right here. This is a double-sized bed. These two chairs right here do turn around and they've got booster seats to lift them up a little bit. This is just your regular booth. These cabinets have a pressed open. This is a TV right here for your main living area. And this is an induction cooktop right here with two burners. Gas cooktop, sorry about that. This is microwave convection oven with the standard RV fridge. This is a bathroom right here. It's got a swivel sink, swivels into the shower when you're using the toilet, or the opposite way when you're using the shower. And then back here in the bedroom is where the other slide is. It goes straight out the back and your head of your bed fits into it. So you have a nice walk around space with an additional TV in there. Like I said, this is a diesel unit, has standard storage underneath, under the undercarriage. And if you have any questions about this or any other unit, please give me a call. My phone number is 541-636-7862. Thank you.